Hi guys, big up on yourselves, all my subscribers. I just feel like this channel coming like a big Jamaican family with people who love Jamaica and people who come from there, and I'm really enjoying getting to know some of you in the comments and hearing your stories. So today what I want to do is I want to talk about the whole heap of things that Jamaica is famous for. And you want to stay tuned to the end because there's some hidden gems in here. So first of all, anybody who know about Jamaica, even if them never go there yet, them know Jamaican reggae music, because Bob and Chris Blackwell, they took this to the world long time and it just catch on. And any country of the world you're going to know, you're walking along, you hear reggae music. Nobody don't know. There's nobody who don't know is what that, right? And as a matter of fact, right now, it's probably one of the most popular genres of music on the earth. So big up Jamaica for that. And even before reggae was a thing, ska and rocksteady and mento were the rhythms just blasting through the hills of Jamaica. And those are some Irie vibes, really nice vibes and good tunes. As a matter of fact, when my husband and I were on our honeymoon, we were at Trident Hotel and we were sitting on the beach and there was this band playing mento. And the name of the band was the Jolly Boys. And if you look them up on the internet, you can find them. They're really good. And it's just a great rhythm. And every time I hear mento, I think of that time. And it was just really great. So the other thing that Jamaica has brought to the world is the tasty, mouth-watering jerk chicken. And anywhere you go, if them ever even go to Jamaica and you talk about jerk chicken, them mouth start water said time and them know exactly is what you're talking about. Only thing them don't really have the authentic jerk that go on the pimento wood and all the rest of it, but they can come close and it can taste good. So jerk chicken is the next one. And not to mention rice and peas, and of course Jamaican people like gungo peas and rice, especially at Christmas time. Every Jamaican table have gungo peas and rice as one of the things I'm served with Christmas dinner, right? And next thing is Jamaican patty. Beef patty, fish patty, lobster patty, chicken patty. And then mark them with a little dot, depending on what is inside the patty. They have juicy beef, tasty patty, mothers, even Devon House have patty. They are amazing. All of these patties are great. And the thing about it is, even here in this little town where I'm living in Canada, you go in the supermarket and they see one whole heap of different kind of patty. And of course, them don't taste good like when you get them in Jamaica, but they're there. They're here to Stone Dog. And Red Stripe, which is originally a family-owned brewery in Jamaica, or well, a factory, and they produce Red Stripe, and that is now known all over the world. Everybody know that comes from Jamaica and that it's good and so forth. And then you have J. Ray and Nephew, Appleton, many other local spirits, and all of them are found across the globe. All Jamaican soft drink, them call it soda, but the soft drinks are all over the place. I can think of a few now: ginger beer, cola champagne, Ting, that is a great one. And there's so many more, but they're everywhere, and everybody knows that they come from Jamaica. Them have a biscuit. I don't know if you ever taste this biscuit yet, but believe you me, I believe so. If you come from Jamaica or you go there, you know this biscuit, Ovaltine biscuit. Them sell them all over the place, and they're a quality product. Them come in a little orange pack with plastic and Ovaltine made with the malt, and they have a great taste. Drink that, eat that with a cup of tea or coffee. Nice. And you see the ginger from Jamaica too? It come from Asia originally, and the Spanish people brought it to Jamaica in the 1700s. And now the ginger that is growing in Christiana, Manchester, is known to be the best ginger in the world. I love the one that come in a little, Jamaica make them in a little pack with the ginger powder, and you put that in a cup and put your hot water on that and make tea. Let me tell you, nothing better than that. So anyway, you can't talk about this thing and leave out the Jamaican athletes. Them have the whole world on the edge of them seat, Olympic after Olympic, as Jamaica just dominate up the track and field and just win up everything. We all know that already, right? So big up to Jamaican athletes. Guys, let me tell you, the people, when they come to, what the name, the Taínos, right? The Taínos gave the name, I never know how to pronounce it, so forgive me if I say it wrong, but it spells Xaymaca, so I guess Jamaica. It means land of wood and water, and Jamaica has been known as the Pearl of the Caribbean. It's a beautiful, beautiful country, and it's full of lovely beaches, dozens of beautiful beaches. And the thing about Jamaica is we also have waterfalls and rivers, and everybody in the whole wide world has heard of Dunn's River Falls, but there's so many more. And there's just beautiful river spots. Like, we used to pick up our kids from school when they were little, and we'd take them to a place called Irie Beach. Now, Irie Beach, you hear that name and you think it's a beach, but it isn't a beach at all. It's river. And you go there and you walk down a place because you can't drive right to it. You have to walk down a little marl road, and you come out and you just see this beautiful big river where people jumping off the rocks and swinging on rope into the water because it's deep pools, and they go all the way up the hill and down, and you can walk up and down, swim around, and just have a great time. And that is one of many beautiful Jamaican river spots. So I could just go on and on and on because there's just so many things to say that are the beauties of Jamaica, and I will probably do another video or so on this topic because, as I say, it's plenty to tell you, right? But I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you got some information from it, and share it with your friends if you found it interesting, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, because there's a lot more videos to come and you don't want to miss them, I'm hoping, right? So subscribe and comment and share, and I will see you on the next video.